Maybe if I imagine that they're
Imagine it's beef jerky.
A Cheeto.
if
beef
I
jerky
imagine
helps.
that it's
A flour seed.
Beef jerky.
It tastes like, well, it has chili
Oh,
and
me va a
lemon
picar.
and
No.
lemon.
That's tiny.
That's the same thing.
No,
This
no.
is big, Laura. This is no tiny.
That one's tiny. Because that one, you're gonna bite it and then
It's just gonna
the-
stay stuck in your teeth.
Yeah. You want it
Either
to
way.
get a thicker one. Learn from
I'm gonna
Laura.
really panic if it gets stuck
Yeah,
in my
'cause it won't
teeth.
come out.
No, that's.
¿Este?
Haces ahí buches.
you.
Buches con el agua.
Mira, una
Buches.
patita.
You need it
Ah, no,
bigger
está
too.
bien.
No, hombre, ese ya está bueno.
Okay.
Está bueno, está bueno.
Thanks.
At least taste it before you drink the water.
No,
No, don't lick it. Don't lick it.
make
Don't lick it. Just
difficult. Just do it. Go for it.
wait. Don't drink the water yet. Oh.
No. Eat it. Just eat it.